Hi and welcome to the Kids Academy chess course. My name is Robert Lazorchak and I'm a certified teacher with international and national chess teaching certifications. I will be your guide as we begin to master this great game. Now let's get to the chess.
Hi there, I'm Pippa the Pawn. I may be small, but I've got big dreams, just like you. Let's learn the moves, play smart games, and become chess heroes. Let's take a look inside. You'll start with fun video lessons that teach you one step at a time. Then play cool games to test what you've learned. And practice with printable worksheets you can do on your own or with help. Each time you finish an activity, you'll earn shiny stars and fun rewards. What makes chess for beginners special? It's designed just for kids. You learn at your own pace. No ads, no distractions. Safe, smart, and super fun. Let's go and make your first move.